It is official. The three terrorists killed in Operation Mahadev were all three from the Lashkar-e-Taiba from Pakistan, and all three were involved in the Pahalgam terror attack. Home Minister Amit Shah made this important disclosure from the floor of Parliament earlier today, revealing intricate details on how the terrorists identified as Suleiman, Gibran, and Afghani were identified, how forensics were run, using bullet casings that were recovered from the ground in Pahalgam, and how guns, chocolate wrappers, and even voter IDs have been traced back to Pakistan. What does this mean for the families, in particular for the women who were forced to stand and watch as the men they loved were shot in cold blood? We'll be talking to two families in a moment from now. I'm Barkha, you're with the Mojo Story. On the program today, we take you inside Operation Mahadev, the security operation that has led to the elimination of three high-value terrorists belonging to the Lashkar-e-Taiba. The Home Minister has placed before the country, speaking from Parliament today on how all three were responsible and involved in the Pahalgam terror attack. This revelation came as part of the Operation Sindoor debate, and these next images of grief that you see on your screen are the distraught, devastated images of two women who lost everything. A new bride forced to watch her husband being killed in front of her eyes, a young daughter who had to plead for mercy, but no mercy was shown to her father. We're talking, of course, about Aishanya Dwivedi, the wife of Shubham Dwivedi, and Asaveri Jagdale, who lost her father and who, alongside her mother, had to watch all of this happen. What the women in Pahalgam went through is particularly cruel, particularly cruel. Imagine the helplessness that you feel when somebody you love in front of you is basically shot at point blank range. Politicians will keep debating, but what does it actually mean for the families who are left behind? There will be lifelong pain, grief, anger, anguish, rage. But do today's developments bring any kind of closure at all? Before I introduce our two guests on the program today, I want to start by playing out what Amit Shah said on the floor of the House. Take a look.
मान्यवर इन लोगों को कल ऐसा था कि ये जो बेसरन के गुनेगार है वो पाकिस्तान भाग गए, तो बड़े आवाज से पूछते थे भाग गए भाग गए भाग गए, गृहमंत्री क्या करता है, जिम्मेदारी ले। हमारी तो सेना ने ठोक दिया, सीआरपीएफ ने ठोक दिया। मान्यवर अब मेरा तो जवाब बनना ना देता है ना वो मांगना बनता है। मान्यवर हमारे पास प्रूफ है, वो भी मैं सदन के सामने रखना चाहता हूं कि तीनों पाकिस्तानी थे। 3 में से 2 के पाकिस्तान के वोटर नंबर भी आज हमारे पास उपलब्ध है। मान्यवर ये राइफलें हैं, ये राइफलें भी हमारे पास उपलब्ध है। इनके पास से जो चॉकलेटें मिली हैं वो चॉकलेटें ढोक में से मिली, वो भी पाकिस्तान की बनाई हुई चॉकलेट है। मान्यवर ये कहते हैं कि पाकिस्तानी नहीं थे, इसका मतलब पूरी दुनिया के सामने इस देश का एक पूर्व गृह मंत्री पाकिस्तान को क्लीन चिट दे रहा है।
The debate carries on, the politics carry on, but today I want to introduce the women who have to live perhaps for the rest of their lives with this pain, this rage, this anguish, questions, and the pursuit of justice, some of which has begun with Operation Mahadev. I want to welcome to the program, first up, Aishanya Dwivedi, the wife of Shubham Dwivedi. She has been one of the most vocal voices in the aftermath of the Pahalgam terror attack. And we thank you again, Aishanya, because I know it's always painful to talk about this. So I really am grateful and humbled that you have agreed to talk to me. And also joining me is a young woman, Asaveri Jagdale, with her mother, Pragati Jagdale. Asaveri, actually performed the last rites of her father, whom she had to watch as he was killed. He said, Bas marna mat. But the terrorists did not show any mercy, and she performed the last rites for her father, still wearing the blood splattered clothes that she had on the day of the attack. And again, thank you to both of you. मैं समझ ही सकती हूँ या इमेजिन ही कर सकती हूँ how much pain this causes. So thank you so much. Shania and Asavri, just first reactions to what we know so far. कल तक speculative था, source based था, आज official है. Shania, आपसे शुरू करती हूँ. Closure will not come so easy. The bosses of the terrorists who did this are still sitting pretty in Pakistan. Uh, Operation Sindoor did try and hit the bases, or not even try, successfully hit the bases of the Lashkar and the Jaish. But Hafiz Saeed and Masood Azhar still enjoy impunity in Pakistan. Still, Pahalgam has been avenged at one level with the killing and the elimination of these three terrorists. I just want to know what you're thinking and feeling today. Aishanya, आपसे शुरू करती हूँ.
First of all, it's a news which will give us relief. Some relief will come to us, some relief will go to the people who we lost to the heaven. And also, I'm very thankful to the army because the way these terrorists with unidentified name, with some dense forest, they are just hidden there. Finding them out, killing them, and then proving the point that these are the way they are connected to the Pahalgam and to the people who are speaking against for Pakistan and against this operation, slapping them on the face by showing them the proofs that how these people are directly connected to Pakistan. It's really a proud moment today. It's a really proud moment that I am an Indian and I belong to India.
And you say, Shanya, that this is a relief even to those you love who are in heaven. I'm sure you're thinking of Shubham today. You were a new bride. You hadn't even been married barely 2 months when this attack happened. What do you think Shubham is thinking today as he watches this development from heaven?
So, I am sure he must be proud that he said it out loud that he's a Hindu. He must be proud of that today. That he said it and he today Indian army and everybody proves that because you said that you're Hindu, we are standing with you.
Because of course he was targeted for his religion, and that's something that is now
Exactly.
well established, that those who were killed in Pahalgam by these terrorists were targeted for being Hindu, and we know that, though of course they were local Kashmiris, a Shawlwala, a Poniwala, who did try to help, but effectively we know beyond doubt that the victims were targeted for their religion. You also said it's a slap on the face of those who doubted this operation, and we'll have more on that later. Shanya, I want to get Asavri and her mom now in. Asavri, at 26, Shanya was a new bride. You were a young girl, if I may say so, at my age of 53, a young girl, having to watch your father plead, as it were, for mercy, your mother having to watch all of this, you perform the last rites. Today, as these three terrorists are eliminated, these Lashkar terrorists, all three from Pakistan, as the Home Minister said in Parliament, I want your thoughts and your mother's thoughts, Asabri.
As I have mentioned previously also, that yeah, all these operations and everything is going to kill the terrorist for a time being. But what about the new terrorists that are born every day? What about those people who are making these terrorists? I think the relief, the operations, the efforts that our army is taking would be fulfilled only that day when the terrorism will be uh, when the terrorism will end fully. You know, the things that happened in Operation Sindoor was, I think, just a start to an end-to-end terrorism. And today, like yesterday, when Operation Mahadev came out and we got to know that the three terrorists that were involved in the attack are shot down, I think they were more. And the remaining, when they will be shot down, I think that will be the closure of Operation Mahadev. And as you said, that watching father uh, dying in front of our eyes. I have not only lost my one father, I have lost my two fathers. Other was Ganbote uncle. He was like my father only. I still remember the way his eye came out when he was shot, and that blood stains that came on my face and my jeans that I was wearing, and my father's head that was shot. It's not only about my father and my uncle, it's about all the other 24 families that are suffering, that we are suffering. And we 26 families are never going to get any closure for that, because we are never going to get our people back. But we can proudly say that yes, my father and the other 25 people have died for our country. And I would request the government that they should not make this in any political agenda, or any politics should not get involved in this, but these type of operations should continue, and they should end all the terrorists that would be causing us problem in future, or any other innocent people should not get killed because of this.
You know, one of the important things that you have said and Aishanya has also said in the past कि हमारे जो परिवार हैं वो देश के लिए मरे हैं. They have died for the country. They have been killed, yes, but their lives have been lost for India. And I know Aishanya has been saying a lot about this, about Shubham, and I want to talk a little bit more about it. पर मैं आपकी मम्मी से पूछना चाहती हूँ, प्रगति जी, सबसे पहले धन्यवाद. मैं समझ ही सकती हूँ या इमेजिन ही कर सकती हूँ, क्योंकि आपकी जगह, असावरी की जगह और ऐश्वर्या की जगह मैं कितना भी समझने की कोशिश करूं, जो आप महसूस कर रहे हैं, व्हाट यू आर फीलिंग, आई कैन नॉट फील दिस. वी हैव टू एक्नॉलेज, बट वी कैन ओनली ट्राई. आज मैम आप देश से क्या कहना चाहेंगी? ये सुलेमान, जिब्रान, अफगानी, ये 3 नाम आइडेंटिफाई किए होम मिनिस्टर ने पार्लियामेंट में कि ये 3 पहलगाम के टेरर अटैक में आपके हस्बैंड को किल करने में, along with the other families, as Asavri said, were involved. प्रगति जी, अगर आप इस पे कोई अपनी दिल की बात सामने रखना चाहें.
मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये जो मिशन हुआ, महादेव मिशन, सरकार अपनी और आर्मी वो ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू करे, क्योंकि अभी भी और 3 टेररिस्ट बाकी हैं जिनको मारना है. और जब ये 6 या 5 थे वो सब मर जाएंगे, उनका खात्मा किया जाएगा, तभी जो ये 26 लोग शहीद हुए हैं देश के लिए, क्योंकि देश के लिए और मजहब का नाम लेकर ही, धर्म पूजकर ही उनको मारा गया है. तो उनकी आत्मा को तभी शांति मिलेगी जब ये 5 या 6 टेररिस्ट थे वो मर जाएंगे. तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि सरकार और अपनी आर्मी ये मिशन ऐसे ही चालू रखे, और जो नए टेररिस्ट अभी हो रहे थे यार, उनको पहले ही खत्म कर दे, कि उनकी जो जगह है जहाँ पर ये बॉर्न होते उसको ही वो खत्म कर दे. टेररिज्म ही पूरा खत्म करना चाहिए अपनी सरकार में, ताकि हमारा देश जो है भय में ना रहे.
नहीं, बिल्कुल. मैं सबसे पहले आप तीनों का एक तरह से दाद देना चाहती हूँ कि आपने कितनी बहादुरी दिखाई, आपने कितनी एक तरह से जो क्वाइट करेज जिसको कहते हैं, एक आपने अपना हस्बैंड खोया, ऐश्वर्या ने अपना हस्बैंड खोया, 2 महीने फरवरी में उनकी शादी हुई थी. असावरी परफॉर्म द लास्ट राइट फॉर हर फादर. No woman, no man, no child should have to go through this ever in any circumstance. Aishwarya, I want you to talk about what justice will look like. This is the beginning of the pursuit of justice. As I said, the masterminds are sitting in Pakistan. The mastermind links back to the Pakistani deep state, to the Pakistani military, to Asim Munir, who made a horribly communal speech just a couple of days before the Pahalgam terror attacks took place. मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी, आप तो सबसे मिली, आप प्रधानमंत्री से मिली, मुख्यमंत्री से मिली, राहुल गांधी से मिली, आप अपने देश के नेताओं को क्या कहना चाहेंगी? आपने कहा है this is a slap on the face of those who question these operations. I want you to open up about that and what you've conveyed to all of the politicians from Prime Minister downwards whom you have met or who have met you.
I said it from the day one and I'm still saying it. My husband and all those 26 people, मैं प्रॉपर बोलूंगी, उन्होंने बलिदान दिया है. टेररिज्म खत्म करने का बलिदान है ये. And I've said it to everyone, be it PM sir, be it CM sir, be it Rahul Gandhi ji, anybody who met us, anybody. मैंने सबसे यही कहा, the terrorism should end. They have given their life for it. Terrorism should end. आप जो मुझसे पूछ रहे हो, what will be the final justice? Final justice will be when this cancer will be over, when this terrorism will be over. And I am not afraid to say that terrorism means Pakistan. Pakistan ही terrorism है. The other name is Pakistan. They should finish Pakistan. And I actually plead to everyone out there, not just India or all the other countries, to come along and boycott Pakistan from everywhere, be it any place, including them to Asian World Cup. I don't get this also. Why did they include Pakistan in Asian World Cup? And then BCCI comes up and accept the match with India Pakistan. Why? Why?
Mhm.
I don't get this. These are the questions all the families have. It's just been
Yeah.
3 months and they are playing with our emotions if they are agreeing to this.
Yeah, it's something so important you have raised, and I was going to ask you about this anyway. This cricket match with Pakistan proposed as part of the Asia Cup. I think what you're saying, Ashanya, is that if they play this match, they are playing with the emotions of the Pahalgam victims, right, Ashanya?
Exactly, exactly. It's a direct say to us if we do not care about the people who died, because the cricket comes first, the sports comes first. What kind of a sportsmanship gives you the right to put sports above a person's life, a national person's life? It's your own country. You're putting their life up. Their life is nothing for you. The sports come before that. What kind of thing is this? From the day I've heard this, I'm really angry on the people who took this decision.
Yeah, I can only imagine your anger, and I can see Asavri and Pragati ji nodding along. Asavri, if you want to add on to this completely crazy, bizarre idea that in the middle of all this we should be playing cricket, Asavri?
I have mentioned in one of my interviews today itself about the same thing what Aishanya said, and I agree with her completely on this. That if you're canceling the water treaties and boycotting other business things with Pakistan, so why not sports? Why do you
Yeah.
really want to play cricket with the Pakistani players? From where the terrorists have come inside our houses and killed our people. And after
Mm.
all these things happening, you still want to continue and play cricket with them. What is the point? You have other countries, right? You can play cricket with the other countries. Why do you need Pakistan? This should not happen. And this is really very, very, painful to hear that at the other hand, the government is saying that Pakistan, हम लोग हम नारे लगाते हैं कि पाकिस्तान ऐसा है पाकिस्तान वैसा है और दूसरे हाथ में हम लोग उनके ही प्लेयर्स के साथ हमारे प्लेयर्स क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं दिस इज वेरी शेमफुल
बिल्कुल, मैं बिल्कुल आपसे इस पे सहमत हूँ। मुझे कोई कंसिस्टेंसी इस पॉलिसी में नज़र नहीं आती है। एक तरफ ऑपरेशन महादेव चल रहा है, खत्म नहीं हुआ। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर भी खत्म नहीं हुआ है। वी कैन सी फ्रॉम द वेपन्स एंड द गन्स, द चॉकलेट रैपर्स, जैसे कि आज गृह मंत्री ने कहा, जो सबूत मिला है वो सब पाकिस्तान को लिंक बैक करता है। एंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, एंड बोथ ऑफ यू हैव बीन very blunt about how you feel about this. I want to read out a comment that is coming in our audience stream, जो मैं भी सोच रही थी. Salute to these ladies that they are still able to maintain their composure while talking about this. Even as a compatriot, I am not able to hold my emotions listening to them. You're both very young. Eshanya, I know Asavri is 26, if I'm not wrong. And Eshanya, how old are you, if I may ask? I
I'm
once again,
28.
28. So you're both in your 20s. And as I said, Ishanya, I'll start with you. You were a new bride, a young bride. You had got married to Shubham in February, right? And your whole life has been turned upside down by this. How have you found the courage to come out, to speak, to fight for justice for your husband, and not only for your husband, for all the families, for all the victims? कहाँ से इतनी हिम्मत है, शन्या?
I don't have anything left now. My life just started with him. He's gone. What do I have? My parents have each other. My in-laws have each other. What do I have? And if I do not have my husband next to me, I will fight for him. That is all I'm left with. And I will do it. And because he was somebody who was killed by these terrorists, so my first step is to fight against it.
So you feel that now that Shubham is gone, the meaning in your life now is this fight against terrorism in a way.
In a way. I don't know till when I can continue this, but from the moment I'm standing here, I will fight.
And I really do salute you because I think the families, all of you, have been no less than warriors in your own way. Savri, you broke a lot of conventions when you performed the last rites of your father as a daughter. Traditionally, होता नहीं है. आपने वो हिम्मत दिखाई, वो दात दिखाई, Savri, and you were wearing the same खून भरा कपड़ा, from that moment. And I'm sorry to make you sort of recount that, but oh, those images are so heartbreaking. And I want you to talk, Savri, about that moment. कि ये हिम्मत कहाँ से साफी.
I want to say something. आपने अर्चना से कहा कि we are warriors. So I think every Indian woman is a warrior. And especially Hindu women. Why? Because हम लोग देवी माँ को पूजते हैं. हम लोग शक्ति को पूजते हैं. And we all carry that Shakti with us in everything that we do.
Yeah.
Coming to मेरे father के last rites perform किए. See, I'm the only daughter my parents have. And my father said always used to say कि तुम मेरा मतलब बेटी नहीं मेरा बेटा ही हो. And I think वो प्रूव करना वही एक सही टाइम होता है कि सी दिस इज वेरी पेनफुल कि मैं इतनी यंग हूँ और मैंने अपना एक सबसे जो सबसे अहम हिस्सा होता है लाइफ का एक लड़की का अपने फादर होता है. एक फर्स्ट फ्रेंड फर्स्ट लव ऑफ लाइफ एवरी डॉटर इज हैविंग इज हर फादर. एंड मेरा तो पूरा लाइफ का अभी तक का सब डिसीजंस आई हैव टेकन आस्किंग माय फादर ओनली. तो आज जब मैं सुबह उठती हूँ व्हेन आई डोंट सी हिम इट इज वेरी पेनफुल. उस दिन जिस दिन मेरे फादर को और गंगोटे अंकल को मेरे सामने गोलियां मारी थी आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर मेरे राइट साइड की जींस को लगा था मेरे फादर का ब्लड था और लेफ्ट साइड को मेरे जो अंकल थे गंगोटे अंकल उनका था. सी गंगोटे अंकल भी मेरे फादर जैसे इसलिए थे क्योंकि ही ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू टेल माय फादर कि यार मेरे पापा का जो नाम था संतोष तुम्हारी बेटी को मैं गोद ले लेता हूँ और उसका कन्यादान मैं खुद करूंगा. एंड माय फादर यूज्ड टू से कि ठीक है ले लो यार मेरी एक ही बेटी है वो भी ले लो मेरे से. दे यूज्ड टू फाइट ऑन दिस. एंड कश्मीर प्लान इसलिए बना था क्योंकि अभी मेरी शादी करने वाले थे मेरे पापा मतलब मेरी फैमिली और ये लास्ट ट्रिप था मेरा मेरे पेरेंट्स के साथ. उसके बाद तो मैं अपने हस्बैंड के साथ ही जाऊंगी ये सोच के उन चारों ने डिसाइड किया कि हम लोग साथ में जाएंगे. एंड यू सी मैंने फादर को और मेरे अंकल जो मेरा कन्यादान करने वाले थे वो एक फादर वो दोनों को भी आई हैव लॉस्ट. बट उस दिन दिमाग में एक बात आई कि ये लोग हमारे घर में घुसते हैं 400 किलोमीटर अंदर ये बॉर्डर में आते कैसे हमारे लोगों को धर्म पूछ के हमारे ही भारत में मारते कैसे. उस दिन से आज तक आई हैव वन थिंग इन माई माइंड कि आज के बाद मेरी जिंदगी जो भी होगी वो इसीलिए होगी कि जिस दिन जब भी मुझे किसी देश की चीज के लिए खड़ा रहना पड़ेगा आई स्टैंड. आई नॉट लुक बैक कि मैं मेरा आई डोंट वांट टू बी एन ऑर्डिनरी पर्सन. आई ऑलवेज वांट टू बी स्पेशल. मैं अपने देश के लिए कुछ करना चाहूंगी और देश के लिए ही मरना चाहूंगी. इफ देर इज अ चांस आई गेट लाइक माई फादर एंड like Aishanya's husband Shubham and the rest 24 souls that died on that day for the country. And I would like to mention one thing. My father always said कि यार ऐसे आम नहीं मरना है मुझे हमेशा लाइमलाइट में ही मरना है. He used to tell me अगर मुझे कोई बीमारी हो गई ना तो मेरा इलाज मत कराओ. मुझे बॉम्ब्स बांध के मुझे टेररिस्ट के ऐसे कोई एक अड्डे पे फेंक दो जहाँ पे एटलीस्ट 50 to 70 तो मर जाएंगे. And I remember him saying this to me a lot of times. And जिस दिन ये सब हुआ उसके बाद तो सोचने का वक्त नहीं था क्योंकि हालात ही वैसे नहीं थे. बट अब जब मैं शांत बैठ के मतलब वो याद करती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि आई फील वेरी प्राउड कि आई एम हिज डॉटर जो इतनी स्ट्रेंथ लेके हमेशा रहे अपने लाइफ में उनकी ही स्ट्रेंथ मुझे मिली और मैं वही कैरी फॉरवर्ड करूंगी.
मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि आप ऑलरेडी वो वॉरियर स्पिरिट दिखा रही हैं. यू आर ऑलरेडी ऑल थ्री ऑफ यू आर ऑलरेडी लिविंग फॉर इंडिया. यू आर लिविंग फॉर द मेमोरीज ऑफ द मेन यू लव बट यू आर ऑल्सो लिविंग फॉर अ लार्जर कॉज. तो लेकिन मैं ये कहूंगी सावरी कि किसी को एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी इन हालात में नहीं बनना चाहिए. Extraordinary, yes, our military, our soldiers, our armed forces, they fight these terrorists every day. But to force women to watch the men they love being killed, to force children to watch their fathers being killed. I mean, it is, ye, there are no words for this. जैसे आई थिंक आप ही ने कहा था दे आर डीमंस, सावरी आप ही ने शायद कहा था ये किसी ने कहा था, वन ऑफ द विक्टिम सेड, यू सेड इट, दे आर डीमंस नॉट, हाँ ये राक्षस है, ये राक्षस है,
ये राक्षस है।
या प्रगति जी, इसमें
कि
अगर आपको
इंसान को मारना नहीं चाहेगा, कोई भी इंसान ये घिनौनी हरकत नहीं करना चाहेगा।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। प्रगति जी, अगर आपको जोड़ना चाहें इसमें।
हाँ बोलिए।
आपने अपनी बेटी को इतना बहादुर कैसे बनाया? आप इतनी सहानुभूति आप लोग दिखा रहे हैं, इतना कंपोजर आप दिखा रहे हैं ऐसे वक्त पे, कहां से वो हिम्मत आती है प्रगति जी? शायद प्रगति जी वहां बिजली, वहां इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चली गई ऐसा लगता है। लेट मी गिव द लास्ट वर्ड, या लेट मी, नो प्रॉब्लम, आप आ गए वापस, कोई बात नहीं, अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, वो शायद उठ के कुछ फिक्स करने चली गई, बिकॉज अ मदर्स वर्क नेवर स्टॉप्स। लेट मी गिव द लास्ट वर्ड टू,
दैट इज नेवर गोइंग टू चेंज,
दैट्स नेवर गोइंग टू चेंज ना,
वन थिंग इज नेवर गोइंग टू चेंज।
बिल्कुल
नहीं, बचपन से मैंने सिखाया है उसको कि डरना नहीं है किसी बात से, पर वो हादसा जो हुआ वो एकदम सडनली हुआ, हम लोगों को कुछ पता नहीं चला कि वो कहाँ से आए हैं, कहाँ क्यों मार रहे हैं, वो टेररिस्ट है या वहाँ के लोकल पुलिस ही है, हमें समझने के पहले वो लोगों को मार रहे थे। तो तब तो हम लोग घबरा गए थे, हम दोनों लेडीज या फिर बाकी लोग थे जो, बाकी लेडीज थे जो, पर ये नहीं डरी मम्मी, मुझे और वो मेरी जो फ्रेंड है संगीता गणबोटे, उनको, हम दोनों को हाथ को खींच कर वो लेके गई, मम्मी अभी आप दोनों चलो, हम जाके नीचे से मदद लेके आएंगे, पापा का और अंकल को एडमिट करेंगे। तो ये जो उसमें उस वक्त उसको ये ताकत मिली, तो उसके पापा से और मुझसे ही मिली, क्योंकि बचपन से हमने उसको सिखाया है कि लड़की जैसा नहीं रहना है, लड़के जैसा रहो, अपने को स्ट्रांग बनाओ, खुद को स्ट्रांग रखो। तो उसी वजह से मैं सोचती हूँ कि वो वहां से हम दोनों को लेके आई, और आप पापा की और गणबोटे की जो पार्थिव वो यहाँ पर लेके आ सकी, तो वो उसी का नतीजा कि बचपन से ही उसको स्ट्रांग बनाया।
मैं तो इतना कहूंगी कि लड़की को लड़के जैसे नहीं बनना है, लड़की और लड़के में फर्क नहीं है। अगर उनके माँ बाप आपकी जैसी माँ उनको ऐसा सिखाए कि आप उतनी ही हिम्मत दिखा सकते हैं जैसे कोई बहादुर लड़का दिखा सकता है। मैं आखिरी, जी आप कुछ बोल रही हैं?
हाँ, और मुझे बहुत प्राउड फील है कि मेरी लड़की ने ये सब करके दिखाया। आसान नहीं था वहां से हम दोनों को और वो दोनों को लेकर आना, बहुत डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन था।
Asavri, before I give the last word to Aishanya, you know, how did you do it at that moment, covered with blood, having watched your father killed in front of your own eyes, his best friend shot dead? You now had to rescue your mother and take her out of there.
जब मेरे पापा को और अंकल को मारने के बाद वो भाग गया, जो
Sorry, Asavri, I think we just lost the connection to you. But let me give Aishanya the last word. You know, you have already spoken out very, very strongly against the concept of cricket being played in these circumstances, and you said अगर ये match आगे चलेगा तो ये हमारे भावनाओं के साथ खिलवाड़ है. You are playing with our emotions. I want to give you the last word on this. What is your expectation? There's a debate ongoing in Parliament right now. The Home Minister spoke, the opposition leaders are speaking. You also said that there should be a slap in the face. What has happened today with Operation Mahadev is a slap in the face of those who questioned, what is happening, where these killers were from, and so on. Just your last thoughts now as a young woman of 28, a new bride, a young widow. What is your expectation as you pursue justice for your husband Shubham and also for all the other families and victims of terrorism?
First of all, it's something I want to say. Politics should not be involved in this. This is a nation thing. This happened with with the people of India. there
Yeah,
should be no politics on this. Second thing
absolutely.
I want to say, because these operations are being done by Indian Army. Who are you and me or anyone to question Indian Army when they are selflessly when they do their job selflessly? They just
Yeah,
are there for us. They are there for our own protection.
yeah.
Nobody should question them at all. These two things which I want to say to everyone. Questioning Indian Army is a very big stupidity. It itself says that you do not have any nationalism in you. There is no national patriotism in you. Third thing which I want to say कि the sportsmen usually what we say Indian army people के बाद sportsmen के अंदर सबसे ज्यादा nationality होती है. I
बिल्कुल.
want to request all the cricketers who are there, who are going to be the part of the Asian World Cup, bring that patriotism and boycott Pakistan, boycott playing with them. It's very wrong. It's very wrong when you're doing this, and when we are getting to know that you guys are just doing this in in just 3 months. It's just 3 months. How can you forget something like this happened to your own people?
I
And
so totally agree. Totally
last
agree.
thing, last thing which I want to say, we as a nation now need to keep our nation first. Every one of us. Because what happened in Kashmir, if those people who gave the shelter, the food, every needful things to do those service, they provided. They were Indians. They were the people who were living in India. I don't know उनके अंदर की इंसानियत कहाँ है. आप अपने ही देश में किसी दूसरे देश के लोगों को टेररिज्म फैलाने के लिए मदद दे रहे हो. एक तरीके से आपका भी हाथ उसी कोल्ड ब्लडेड से है. आपका भी हाथ पूरी तरीके से इसमें इन्वॉल्व है. So I want everyone to come and say no when there is anything against the nation. अगर उस दिन
Yeah.
किसी कश्मीरी ने बोल दिया होता ना कि हम आपको शेल्टर नहीं देंगे क्योंकि हम इंडियन हैं, तो शायद ये टेररिस्ट इंडिया में ना घुसते, शायद ये यहाँ शेल्टर नहीं लेते हैं.
उसके बाद, उस हादसे के बाद आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत से कश्मीरी लोग सड़कों पे निकले, काले झंडे लाल चौक पे लगाए गए, प्रदर्शन किए गए, प्रोसेशंस किए गए. एक आगे शॉल वाले की कहानी भी आई जो एक बच्चे को लेके भागा पहाड़ की स्लोप्स पे. Do you think this has been a turning point? Even for the Kashmir Valley, it has been a wake-up call.
See, I do not say all the Kashmiris are same. But my question is, why those Kashmiris helped? Why? I do not say all the Kashmiris are same. है उनमें इंसानियत. इवन मैं हम जिस होटल में रुके तो उन लोगों ने अपने हाथ से हमें खाना खिलाया क्योंकि हमारे अंदर ताकत ही नहीं थी उस दिन उठने की, जिस दिन ये हुआ 22nd of April की बात हो रहा. But we cannot deny the fact that those Kashmiris only helped them. We cannot deny the fact that when I was there in Basiran Ghati and I was running away from there, I asked for help and people there, the locals there did not help. Nobody can deny that fact also. So there are two sides of Kashmir. And other side of Kashmir also need to accept that they're Indian. They need to accept that then they need to bring the nationalism, patriotism back in their hearts.
I will say that the kind of processions, protests we saw in the Kashmir Valley after this happened, I think this is a big turning point for our country, for our security doctrine, and for Jammu and Kashmir. It is a big, huge turning point. I just want to end by reading out Prime Minister's comments that have come in the last few moments. Aishanya, you have of course met with the Prime Minister. He has spoken on the Home Minister's speech. In his significant speech in the Lok Sabha, Home Minister Amit Shah ji has shared detailed information about Operation Sindoor and Operation Mahadev. These operations against terrorism have played a crucial role in eliminating cowardly terrorists. In his address, he also spoke with complete seriousness about the government's efforts to ensure the country's security. I just want to ask you in the end, Shubham, in Shubham's memory, of course, but the rest of your life, to you, Aishanya, अब आपका सपना क्या है? आगे का सपना क्या है जिंदगी के लिए?
मैं आप मुझसे पूछोगे ये क्वेश्चन, इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब अपने घर वालों को नहीं दे पा रही. मुझे नहीं पता. बट हाँ, मुझे ये मालूम है कि आई हैव टू फाइट विथ व्हाट इज रॉन्ग। मुझे उसके लिए जरूर हमेशा खड़े होना है, जो गलत है उसके लिए खड़े होना है। एंड राइट नाउ द मेरे को मुझे नहीं बोलना था किसी भी पॉलिटिशियन या किसी के भी अगेंस्ट, बट जब मैंने कल अपने कानों से ये बात खुद सुनी कि हाउ कैन समबडी इन आवर ओन कंट्री सपोर्ट पाकिस्तान, तो मैंने बोला। मैं नहीं बोलना चाहती थी, मैं नहीं बोला। मैं कभी भी, मैं डे वन से आई ऑलवेज सेड कि
You are
मुझसे
talking. You're
पॉलिटिकली
talking about. You're talking about Mr. Chidambaram's comments when he said, "How do
या
we know they've come from Pakistan?"
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली।
Okay.
मैं डे वन से, मैं जब भी एनी रिपोर्टर्स व्हेन दे यूज्ड टू रीच आउट टू मी, मैंने हमेशा बोला है मुझसे पॉलिटिकली का आप कुछ मत पूछो, आपको इससे रिलेटेड कुछ भी पूछना है, आई एम देयर टू
Yeah.
आंसर एवरीथिंग, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू पॉलिटिशियन आई डोंट वांट टू आंसर एनीथिंग। बट येस्टरडे समथिंग लाइक दिस कमिंग फ्रॉम अ पॉलिटिशियन, इतने सीनियर पॉलिटिशियन से जब ऐसी चीजें आती है ना, तो मैम अब हमें दुख होता है कि आपको हमारा दर्द दिख नहीं रहा क्या? ये 26 परिवार का दर्द दिख नहीं रहा क्या? तो मेरा सपना ये है कि गलत के अगेंस्ट मुझे खड़े होना है। अब आगे और क्या है, हाउ इज गोना लाइफ गोना बी, आई हैव नो आइडिया। एंड ये मुझसे मेरी बहन, मेरे कजिन्स, मेरे फ्रेंड्स रोज पूछते हैं, मैं उन्हें जवाब नहीं दे पाती हूँ। आई डू नॉट हैव द आंसर, आई कैन नॉट थिंक।
All I want to say is, as you said, it's not even been 3 months. These answers will come with time. But in the meantime, you, Aishanya, and Asavri and her mother Pragati, whom we lost the connection to, you've shown extraordinary courage. You have been warriors. You have shown fortitude. You have shown composure. And all I can do is salute you for your courage, and think of, as you said, from heaven, Shubham and the others to whom this horrific act of terror was inflicted upon, that today they feel just a little bit. It's a long fight, a long battle against terrorism.
True.
लेकिन
It is a very long fight.
थोड़ी शुरुआत in the elimination of these 3 terrorists is all I will say. God bless you, and full admiration for your courage, and also God bless Savri and her mother Pragati and all the victims and all the families who went through this horror in Pahalgam. Take care, namaskar, Jai Hind, and see you soon. Thank you.
See you.
Thank you. It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.